Hey developers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to create a drag and drop file viewer using C# and WinForms. This tool lets you drag files into a panel and displays their names and sizes. Let's dive in. After creating a new project, we design a simple interface. Add a panel that acts as the drop zone for files. Below the panel, add a list view to display the file names and their sizes in a neat, tabular format. Next, we'll enable drag and drop for the panel. Set the allow drop property to true in the designer. Add two events to the panel: drag enter to check if the drag data contains files, and drag drop to handle the dropped files. In the drag enter event, we'll ensure that only files are accepted. If the data is valid, we'll set the drag effect to copy. When files are dropped, we'll loop through them and extract their details using a helper function called addFile to list view. This function retrieves the file name and file size and adds them as a row to the list view. To make the list view look professional, we'll switch it to Details view and add 2 columns, one for file names and one for file sizes. This is done in the form_load event, where we also set the column widths for a polished look. Finally, let's run the program and test it out. Drag some files into the panel, and you'll see their details instantly appear in the list view. It's a simple yet powerful demonstration of drag and drop functionality in C#. That's it for today's video. You've just built your own drag and drop file viewer in under 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more exciting C# projects. See you in the next one.
Hehehehe